So the kananaskis pretty much different. There's more grizzly bears here than black bears. This kind of mushrooms right here, this species is absolutely eatable too. Just gonna put it on my back. As you can see, guys, elevation, it's good here, like about 35 degrees right now. Yeah, it's gorgeous. I like it. I like kananaskis. Okay, maps number 1. Oh, I got a fish, guys. Yes, yes, fish on. Oh my god. Maybe I'm just using the big lure. That's why. I don't know what's wrong with my GoPro. Welcome, guys, to another episode. I'm here on a beautiful place too. This is a different park. I used to do my hiking trip and about national park area, but 1 week ago I got my kananaskis passport. I never been here for hiking, and especially now I'm doing hike and fish. So I'm searching lake for you guys, and yeah, this is one of them. I already have some mushroom here. We're gonna eat it. Just gonna put it on my back and put it in my backpack. And what I also know, guys, this kind of mushrooms right here, this species is absolutely eatable too, but we're not gonna take it. Couple old guy here too. They are different, could be poisoned. So the difference between, first of all, this is the smell. Smelling very nice. This is like looks cost if the animal eat it, so you can eat it too. About Chester Lake, it's the lake in Kananaskis area. It's pretty close to the road. The elevation a little bit more than 400 and length about 8 or 10 kilometers up. It just depends where you want to reach. You want to reach the lake, or you want to reach the peak and viewpoint. It's so different in front of Waterton Park or Banff. Looks like more like Jasper, kinda, but still. So the first time I'm here, and I already like it. Even mushroom, they smells much better than Waterton Park. As you can see, guys, elevation, it's good here, like about 35 degrees right now. There's more grizzly bears here than black bears. Oh, I can hear water. Wow. Maybe I can even fish there. No. This mirage. Look at it, guys. Absolutely edible mushroom too. I'm not gonna touch it. I already have mine. Even with mine, guys, physical condition, this lake, I mean this trail, gives me punch. Any luck, guys? You got some fish?
Yeah, just one.
Just one? Trout? Dollar warden? Allowed to keep? I got it. Okay, thank you, good luck. The first couple kilometers remind me about Elson Lake. By the river, small lake, and we're almost there. I saw so many mushrooms on the way. So this way we have a hiking. Just remind me, guys, something. Don't walk alone. Don't look at me. This is why we're going outside. This is what we're doing outdoors. All about it. Oh, there is a river, guys. There is a river. Oh, I can do fly fishing here. Look. Oh my god, I can do fly fishing here. I'm pretty sure there is a fish. Wow. Look at this view. Oh my god, so gorgeous. Hopefully, guys, you like what I'm doing right now. The last my episode was weird, maybe for you. It's not about fishing. I'm doing hiking, cooking, and just searching about the spot. hopefully you like it, guys. If you like it, just don't forget, if you enjoy the video, you like it, and don't forget to subscribe, okay? It's pushing me go out more often and I search more places. Isn't it amazing, guys? Just look at this. This trail is pretty simple. Nice spot, nice spot. Look at this. Oh my god. Any luck, guys? Hello, you so cute. How are you? Can I say hello?
Yeah.
Hello.
No jumping though.
Hello, 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 hello.
No jumping.
Hello. Did you catch something?
No.
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 Good luck, guys. Oh, this is a nice lake. But I think I should go this edge right there, where the people advised me. So I'm hopefully gonna reach some fish today, and we're gonna cook. The rules of Alberta says if you are on the national park or the provincial park, wherever it is, you can easily fish and eat this fish, but you have to check. First of all, you have to check. Oh, it's windy there. So if you're fishing, guys, you have to check license, if it's allowed to fish or no. I checked already, here is allowed. And another thing, berry and mushroom. In case of mushroom and berry, you have to know about two things. The first one, you have to know what is this before you start eating. And another thing, you're not able to collect it. It's just not allowed. I mean, you're able, but not allowed. So, but in case if you're gonna stay here right now, right here, and cook and eat, you can do it. Probably I'm gonna stop right there and then a little bit fishing here. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, my favorite legalized diver. Yep, just like that. This is a line, just fluorocarbon, Shimano reel, everything simple, light. You can use it everywhere where you're walking. All right, looks like nothing yet, guys, nothing yet. I need different lure, guys. This one doesn't want to work. Yeah, maybe I should try this one first. Okay, maps number one. I decided to put small lure. Strong heat. Oh my god, I have a strong heat, guys. Oh, now I know how to play. Now I know how to play. Oh, I got again. Oh my god. 2 bites. Oh, bite. I think it was bite again. Oh, I got a fish, guys. Yes. Yes, fish on. Oh my god. What is this? What is this? What kind of fish is that? Oh, I lost it. Oh my god. The weather changing right now. Hopefully I still can reach the spot where I can get a fish. Oh, oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, maybe I can cast. Not from here. I'm gonna cast here. Oh, I got a fish. Guys, I got a fish, finally. There you go. Okay. Oh, nice size. Nice size. Okay. I lost it again. What the hell? Oh, yike. Come on, man. I usually use just water from the lake. Extra water out. Good. Alright, mushroom is here. Okay, now we have to cut it. Chop, chop, chop. The taste. Oh my god, guys, it's so awesome. Trust me, you will never try it. You will never try it from the store. Don't even think about the snow and the rain. I'm gonna go home right now. Done. Woo! Let's get clean up and then go home. All right, guys. It was nice to meet you again. I'm going home right now. It's already dark right now. Right now it's just 7. It's getting darker. I know there is a one guy coming through with me, but it's already late. I didn't catch anything, guys, but I lost 2 fish and probably a couple hits, and one hit was really strong. Hopefully you all enjoyed this short trip, and then now you can decide you going here or not. Anyway, I was enjoying. Probably gonna run half of my way, just for same reason. Part of my life here outdoor, it's running on trail when I'm out. Yeah, I'll see you guys next episode. Bye. Maybe I actually go tomorrow somewhere. We'll see. Bye bye. I don't know, close or no? Just